Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. Today is our lecture number 9. Our subject mathematics, and we start chapter number 2 whole numbers, and we complete in the exercise 2.1 plus 2.2 question number 1 in the previous lecture. Okay. In today's lecture we will start exercise 2.2 question number 2.3, sorry, question number 2. Okay. Question number 2, we can done part number 1 and part number 2 of question number 2 in the previous lecture. Okay, today we start part number 3, question number 2. Prove and identify the law used in each of the following. Okay, first, third part is 26 plus 49 is equal to 49 plus 26. Okay. First of all, revise what is commutative law and what is associative law. Okay, plus commutative law, when you add two whole numbers, this is known as a commutative law. Okay, and what is associative law? When you add three whole numbers, more than two whole numbers, or you can say that you can add three whole numbers and any two whole number can be added first. Any two whole number can be added first. This is known as a associative law. So let's start. Part number 3, 26 plus 49 is equal to 49 plus 26. First of all, we identified that this is the law, commutative law. Why this is commutative law? Because we can add two number, 26 plus 49. Okay, we can add two number. That's why this is known as a commutative law. Okay, first of all, take the left hand side, 26 plus 49. Add this. 26 plus 49 is equal to 26 plus 49 is equal to 75. Okay class, 26 plus 49 is equal to 75. And then you can take the right hand side, and the right hand side is equal to 49 plus 26. 49 plus 26. Okay, and then when you add 49 plus 26, you can see that the answer is 75. The answer is 75. So you see that the left hand side answer is 75, and also the right hand side answer is 75. So it can be proved that left hand side is equal to right hand side. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. Okay, understand class 6, part number 3. Come to part number 4. 6 plus 6 plus bracket 9 plus 15 bracket close is equal to right hand side 6 plus 9 plus 15. Okay, as we know that in associative law we can add three number, and first, and in associative law we can add first two whole number. Okay, first two number, we can take the three whole number and can add a two whole number. First we can add a two whole number. So see that the 6 plus 9 plus 15, there is a three whole numbers. Okay, so this is associative law. First you can identify which law is that. Okay, and then the next step is that you can take a left hand side. Okay, take the left hand side. 6 plus 24, 6 plus 24, and 24 will come when you add 9 plus 15. Okay, when you add 9 plus 15. Okay, and first of all you will add those number which is in the bracket. Okay, first of all, this is the math rule that you can add those number which is in the bracket. Okay, so 15 plus 9, these number are in the bracket. So first of all we can add this number, 15 plus 9. Okay, 15 plus 9 is equal to 24. Okay, 24 plus 6, yeah, 6 plus 24. When you add 6 plus 24 is equal to, the answer is will become 30. Okay, the answer will become 30. So then you can take the right hand side, the next second step, and first of all we can add those numbers which are in the bracket. So add 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9. Okay, add 6 plus 9. 6 plus 9, when you add 6 plus 9, the answer will become 15. The answer will become 15. Okay, and the next number is 15. So 15 plus 15. 15 plus 15 is equal to 30. Is equal to 30. So the left hand side the left hand side answer is 30, and also the right hand side answer is also 30. So 30 is equal to 30. So it can be proved that left hand side is equal to the right hand side because the both answers are equal. Okay. Come to fifth part. Fifth part is 1 plus fifth plus. Okay, first of all we can change this numbering. Okay. Fifth part is 1 plus 2 plus 3 bracket 2 plus 3 bracket close is equal to bracket 1 plus 3 bracket close plus 2. Okay. First you will identify which law is that. This is associative law because we can add three numbers, three whole numbers. So first of all take the left hand side, take the left hand side. 1 plus 5, 1 plus 5, and 5 will become when you add 2 plus 3. When you add 2 plus 3, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Okay, एंड 5 किस तरह आया जब हमने 2 plus 3 को ऐड किया. ओके, when you add these 2 plus 3, the answer will become 5. Okay class, when you add 2 plus 3, the answer will become 5. Okay, then add 1 plus 5, the answer will become 6. This is your left hand side. This is your left hand side. Okay class, and then solve right hand side. Right hand side आपकी ये है. This is your right hand side. So 1 plus 3 answer will become 4. 1 plus 3 answer will become 4. First of all we can add those numbers which are in the bracket, and then 2. This is 2. 2. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. So you can see that the left hand side answer is 6, and also the right hand side answer is also 6. Okay, so left hand side is equal to right hand side, so it is proved. So come to the next part, number 6. Part number 6. 65 plus 105 and is equal to 105 plus 65. First of all, see that there are two numbers which are add, so this is commutative law. Okay, this is commutative law. Okay, then take a left hand side. Left hand side is 65 plus 105. 65 plus 105, and when you add 65 plus 105, the answer will become 170. The answer will become 170. Okay, then next step is take the right hand side. Take the right hand side. 105 plus 65. Add this 105 plus 65. The answer also will become 170. So you can see that left hand side answer and the right hand answer are both are equal. So left hand side is equal to hand, and this is proof. Okay class, any problem regarding these parts? So come to part number 7. Part number 7 is 44 plus 65 and then plus 55, 44 plus 65. So first of all, you will identify that which law is that. This is associative law because it can add three number 1, 2, 3. Okay, it can add three number. So first of all, take the right hand side. The right hand side. First of all, add those numbers which are in the bracket in the right hand side. Add 44 plus 66. 44 plus 66. The answer will become 110. The answer will become 110. Then take out this 55. This 55. The answer will become 165. The answer will become 165. Take right hand side. Wait, I will erase them. Take the right hand side. Take the right hand side 44 plus. Add 66 plus 65. 66 plus 55. Add these 66 plus 55. The answer will become 121. The answer will become 121. So take this 44, same as here, and add these 44 plus 121. 44 plus 121. The answer also will also become 165. So you can see that both answers are equal. The left side answer is 165 and also the right side answer is 165. Okay, come to the next part, 8 part. 8, see the 8 part. 10 plus 100 bracket close plus 1000, okay, is equal to 10 plus bracket 100 plus 1000. So this is not a commutative law, this is a associative law. Okay class, this is associative law. Why this is associative law? Because we can add three numbers. Okay, wait, this is your associative law. Okay class, why this is associative law? Because it can add three numbers. So first of all, add those numbers which are in the bracket. The bracket number is 10 plus 100. Okay, 10 plus 100. So add 10 with 100. The answer will become 110. The answer will become 110. So add 110 with 1000. So add 110 with 1000. So the answer will become 1110. So the answer will become 1110. Okay class. And then take the right hand side. Take the right hand side. 10 plus, so add those numbers which are, first of all add those numbers which are in the bracket 100 plus 1000. So when you add 100 plus 1000, answer will become 110, and when you add 110 with 10, so the answer will become 1110. The answer will become 1110. Okay, and question 2 part number 9. Question 2 part number 9. Okay class, question 2 part number 9. This is your homework task. Okay class, this is your homework task. Okay, I will check the next lecture of math part number 9. And if you have any problem at part 9, you will ask a question. So let's start topic 2.3, multiplication and division of a whole number. So this is your new topic, multiplication and a division of a whole number. Okay, so today we can do example 2.1. Example 2.1 is find the product of a given whole number. Find the product of a given whole number. Okay, first part is 74 comma 23. 74 comma 23. Okay, multiply it. 74 multiply 3 23. 74 multiply 23. So let's start. First of all, you will add these 3 4s are 3 4s are 12. 12 2 here and one goes as a wait class. When you multiply it 3 to 4, 4 3s are 12, 2 comes here and one goes as a carry, one goes as a carry. Okay class, and then multiply it. Multiply it. 7 3s are 21. 7 3s are 21. First of all, you can add 3 with both numbers. Add 3 with both numbers. Okay, first of all, we add with 4 and then we will add 7. 3 7s are 21. Okay, 21. Okay, and then there is a carry 1. 21 plus 1 is equal to 22. 21 plus 1 is equal to 22. So this is a 22. Okay, this is a 20. Next step is 2. We add second number with both. Okay, 2. And then here in the right side, you can here draw the multiplication sign. Okay, you can start with the second number, the right side of the second number. Okay, 4 2s are class, multiply it. 4 2s are, first of all I will raise it. इसको मैं रेस कर लूं ताकि आप लोगों को समझ आ जाए. Okay, 2 4s are 8, so 8 here comes. Okay, the second, ये आप लोगों ने बोलना नहीं है. Okay, the 8, the second you can multiply the number here. They come with the right side of the second number. In the first number there is a multiplication come, there is a multiplication side. So 4 to the 8, so here come, and then 7 to the, yeah, 2 7s are 2 7s are 14. 2 7s are 14, so here 14 will come. And the next step is that you will add these numbers. You will add these numbers. You will add these numbers to same as it is come here. 2 here as it is come, and 8 plus 2. You will add these numbers. The last step is that you can add these numbers. 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. So 0 comes here and 1. So 1 here come. 4 plus 2. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 and 1 carry is equal to 7. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 and 1 is equal to, and 1 carry is equal to 7. So this is 1 and there is no number below or after 1. So 1 come as it is. Okay class, 1 come as it is. This is your answer. 1702. This is your answer. Okay class. Okay, come to the second part of example 1. This is 407115. 407115. So multiply this 407 and 115. So first of all, the most right side number we will add first of all in all the numbers which is up. Okay, first 5 sevens are 35. 5 comes here and 3 goes as a carry. 3 goes as a weight class, and 3 goes as a carry. Okay, class. 5 is a 0. 5 0 is yeah, 0 5 is 0. So 0 plus 3, 0 plus 3 is equal to, here the 3 is come. Okay, 5 4s are 5 4s are 20. 5 4s are 20. So 20 comes as it is. There is no carry at the last digit. So multiply the second number 1 with all the numbers 1 0 and then 7 ones are first of all we will add this sign and then we start with the second right side number. 7 ones are 7, 0 ones are 0 and 4 ones are 4. Okay, this is the most simple question. And last is 1, add 1 with these numbers. 7 ones are 7 and then okay, this is your new step that first of all we take only one multiplication side at the right side, then in the next step next multiplication we add two side, two multiplication sign, and then for example if you want to add the next number also, so you can take the three multiplication side. Okay, class. So add, multiply it. 7 ones are 7, 0 ones are 0 and 4 ones are 4. Okay, class. And tell me what is the last step. Last step is that you can add all these number 5. Add this 5. There is no number under the 5, so 5 will come. 3 plus 7, 10. 0 here and 1 goes as a carry. Okay. 7 plus 1 is equal to 8. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6 and 4 there is no number above the 4 or under the 4, so the 4 will also come. So the answer is 46805. Okay, 4 this is your answer, class. So we end this lecture and the lecture at this part. So if you have any question regarding this lecture, ask a question. होमवर्क आप लोगों का होमवर्क का आपका 2.3 एक्सरसाइज 2.3 क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 पार्ट नंबर 9, क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 पार्ट नंबर 9. Class 6 any query regarding this lecture, exercise 2.3 or example number 1 of topic 2.3? Class 6, any query? You have only 2 minutes left. क्लास 6 कोई क्वेश्चन है आपका, या मैं लेक्चर एंड कर दूं? Okay, class. So we end this lecture. I think that you don't have any question. So have a nice day. Goodbye.